May I have your lordship's kind leave to commence the proceedings?
Yes.
May I request the learned Deputy Solicitor General to deliver his speech?
The Honorable Chief Justice, Hon'ble Justice Harish Tandon, Honorable Judges, the learned Additional Solicitor General, the learned Advocate General, the learned Deputy Solicitor General, the President and Secretary of the respective wings of the bar, the respected senior members of the bar, and the member of the registry, and all learned advocates present here today. Today is a bittersweet occasion as we have gathered here to bid farewell to one of our most esteemed and respected judges of our High Court, Honorable Justice Harish Tandon. While we deeply feel the void that your transfer will create in this institution, we also recognize that your wisdom, integrity, and commitment to justice will now benefit another High Court and the people it serves. You have graced this bench with your deep legal acumen, sharp intellect, and most importantly, an unshakable sense of fairness and empathy. Justice Tandon has presided over several landmark cases during his tenure, whether it interpreting in constitutional provision, shaping corporate and commercial law, defending the rights of the poor sections of the society, or ensuring the justice in complex criminal matters, the Justice Tandon has always upheld the highest principle of justice. The legal fraternity here will deeply miss your wisdom and guidance, but will take solace in the fact that your contribution to judiciary will continue. His Lordship has not only been an exceptional jurist, but also a remarkable human being. On behalf of the entire legal community, I express my heartfelt gratitude for your invaluable service to this institution. We wish you good health, continued success, and immense satisfactions in your new role.
May I request the Vice President of the Bar Library Club to deliver his speech?
Honorable Chief Justice, Honorable Judges, in particular, Justice Harish Tandon, Honorable Deputy Solicitor General, office bearers of the three wings of the bar, members of the registry, ladies and gentlemen. The principal word around which today's full court reference is revolving is the word farewell. Farewell to Justice Harish Tandon. I dare say that the word farewell today does not imply everything that is sad or morose. There is an element of joy, of pride, and of celebration associated with it. After all, Justice Tandon has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Orissa High Court. An illustrious son of an illustrious father, Justice Tandon's tenure as a judge of this court has been strewn with hearings, disposals, and delivery of judgments. The nature of the work will probably remain the same, but a whole lot of extra responsibilities as the Chief Justice of Orissa High Court will come in the way. Our only solace is that his post will keep him in a state that is not so far, yet not so near either. Our loss will be Orissa's gain, but then we are happy and proud to be part of this sacrifice. The contours of dispensing justice are changing from day to day with the changing times, and Justice Tandon, with his wisdom and experience, will have and take the judiciary to higher heights, though that will make him a still more taller judge. I, on behalf of the Bar Library Club, extend our warmest greetings to Justice Tandon on his new assignment. We wish him good health and abundant happiness on his new journey. I wish him every success. I would like to end of today's speech on a slightly higher note, to demonstrate the streak of humor in Justice Tandon. I hope I will not be taken amiss. Every time I have had the privilege of addressing Justice Tandon, at the end of the hearing and after the dictation of the order, I would say, "Grateful, my lord." And with a twinkle in his eye, Justice Tandon would invariably say, "One word or two. We will miss your humor. We will miss you. We hope you have a great stint as the Chief Justice of Orissa and beyond." Thank you.
May I request the Vice President of the Bar Association to deliver his speech?
Honorable the Chief Justice, Honorable Justice Harish Tandon, Honorable Judges, Learned Additional Solicitor General, Learned Deputy Solicitor General, Learned Advocate General, Learned Senior Advocates, my esteemed colleagues, brothers, sisters, and guests. Today appears a day of variegated emotions. On one hand, we are ecstatic and euphoric to felicitate our homegrown judge for his elevation as Honorable Chief Justice of Orissa High Court. But on the other hand, we have bewailed and bemoaned hard to bid farewell to a person who during his practice days was well known as Harish Da for his affable nature as elder brother to our generation. Orissa may have lost a battle to West Bengal when Geographical Indications Registry declared the West Bengal is the originator of Rasgulla. But nonetheless, they won the battle when they gain our own gem. My Lord Justice Tandon has been recognized for integral culture and philosophical references in his judgments. In a notable instance, he quoted texts like Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, and works of Rabindranath Tagore to emphasize ethical and moral considerations in legal context. Furthermore, my Lord Justice Tandon has played a pivotal role in addressing social issues through his judicial decisions. Today, as we bid him farewell from this Honorable High Court, please accept, my Lord, our best wishes, and we pray our Almighty to grant you longevity, good health and happiness, and an active and fulfilling next chapter, which are destined to be another remarkable period. We are assured to get exceptional judgments and exploration of his erudite minds at the helm of Orissa High Court. I, on the behalf of Calcutta High Court Bar Association, wish all the best to Honorable Justice Tandon. May the Almighty God continue to bless him for the rest of his life. Thank you.
May I request the Vice President of the Incorporated Law Society to deliver his speech.
My Lord the Chief Justice, my Lords, my Lord Justice Harish Tandon, my friends, the Deputy Solicitor Generals, members of the three wings of the bar, the senior advocates and the members present in court, the members of the registry. My Lord, your association to this institution has been over 3 decades, and you were always treated as part of us. Today, when we learned that there is an elevation to the Orissa High Court as the Chief Justice, we always felt that we are going to miss a family member. Lord, the fact that the elevation has brought in joy in us, but on the other hand, we also feel that we will be missing you in our institution. My Lord, your pursuit of justice, fairness, and integrity in your undaunting commitment to justice has earned our deepest respect, gratitude, and admiration. It is both an honor and privilege to stand before you as we celebrate your elevation to the highest office in the state judiciary in the position of Honorable Chief Justice of Orissa High Court. As you step into this new chapter, members of the Incorporated Law Society today are incredibly proud of you. May your tenure as Chief Justice of Orissa High Court be marked by success, wisdom, and deep commitment to justice, and we look forward to witnessing the continued impact of your leadership on our legal system and society as a whole. I, on behalf of the members of the Incorporated Law Society, offer our heartfelt congratulations and best wishes as you embark on this well-deserved and significant journey, my Lord.
May I request the Honorable Justice Harish Tandon to address the House.
The Deputy Solicitor Generals, the Vice President of the Bar Library Club, the Secretary of the Bar Association, the Vice President of the Incorporated Law Society, above all, my brothers and sisters judges, the members of the registry, the members of the staff, the most close to my hearts, my friends at the bar, the junior members, the respected seniors, ladies and gentlemen. I am short of voice. I am short of words. Though it is called a farewell, as on the last occasion it says that you should fare well in your life, which I will definitely carry to do fare well in my new assignment bestowed upon me by the God, or as the destined by the God. I am born in a family of a lawyer, and I have seen that how the litigants, they used to come with a sense of undecisiveness, with a sense of apprehension. And they used to consult my grandfather and a father for dispensation of justice. I have also seen the moments after the judgment is delivered and they are coming to my house to meet my father and a grandfather with a sense of joy, with a sense of satisfaction. From that day, it was deeply rooted in my heart to pursue this profession, though not with so much commitment, as there was a mixed reaction in my heart. For the reason that I have seen the lawyers who were tirelessly working day and night, and even in the midnight. So I was a bit skeptical whether I would be able to discharge my duty with such commitment, dedication, or with such passion. As the human mind or the behavior goes, everybody has passed through those periods. The flickering mind, which every young person possesses, that also overshadowed my initial passion of becoming a lawyer, and I wanted to become a cricketer. As the destiny would take you what has already been written, I would say I become a lawyer by default. For the reason that I was not very much interested at the initial point of time to pursue the law. It was my grandfather who persuaded me to get an admission in the law college. I said, you are forcing me to go, but I will not practice. Then he said that any degree would add in your feather. So why don't you do it? You don't know what. That farsightedness in those persons of such period becomes a reality when I joined the profession, with one sense of fear in my mind, because whether I would be able to stand in the profession with such commitment. I really never dreamed of in my life to become a judge when I joined the profession. The only dream which I cherish at that point of time to become a good lawyer. And I'm really indebted to all of you who really encouraged me, supported me, contributed immensely in my life in becoming a lawyer. And I am really thankful to all the seniors who are sitting here with whom I have worked, that they have showed me the correct path to become a good lawyer. Though I am physically parting today, and I'm a bit emotional that I would not be sharing this dais anymore, I believe so. But still, every bit of the moment which I have spent in this august institution, that I would carry in my life, and I will definitely cherish when I'm sitting calm after discharging the duty ordained by the gods. I am really thankful to the juniors members of the bar who have joined the profession with such a high aspirations, who have also appeared before me, who have acknowledged my work, and it is the time that the bar would adjudge whether he has been able to discharge the duties in this premier institution. I'm really thankful to all the registrars who have also supported me in my journey, in taking a decisions, and also for the upliftment of the institutional goal. I'm thankful to all the staff of the High Court who used to come in my chamber in the evening as and when they feel any difficulty, either registration of a case in a particular category or any other sense. And we had a very meaningful discussions in this regard. And both the staff and we used to learn by opening the books. I'm mentioning those because our journey in the legal profession, and more particularly as a judge of a high court, is not so easy as everybody perceived of, as every decisions have a larger impact, and the justice, which is a crest on the serpentine, and we all are tirelessly working to achieve the same, would not be fulfilled unless there is a inclusive participation, both of a bar, the staff, and the bench. I may not be here tomorrow, but my memories would always remain with all of you, with every nook and corner of the High Court. And I believe that the support, the love, the affection, which have been showered on me in the afternoon by the members of the bar, will never be faded from my memory, and would remain with me throughout my life. I wish all of you all the best in your life, and I seek all your blessings so that the next journey which I am to embark would be more meaningful, would be more satisfying, and the bar who have created me a good human being that would remain with me. I wish again all of you for your contribution in my life. Thank you.
May I have the leave of your lordship to declare the proceedings as concluded? The proceedings are hereby declared as concluded.